out the way.
That's true, because by
You
the
know
end
what
of
I'm
the day,
saying? Yeah, all the, especially on the, yeah. I'll be the one that then messed up all the rocks.
And then there's a gate.
Ah, he hit a gate.
Oh, 5 minutes. That's it. Time.
Ah.
Man, Rick, you almost got there, man.
Dang.
Got too many reverses.
What's up with it, Stone Vet? What's up with it, man?
Just practicing for later.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man, because they said no shakedown. Nah, just. Ooh, my suit done got hot, y'all. I'm hot. It's still breathing my little cold air in here, but ooh.
Just as an example. So, you remember how I said he was trying to save points?
Yeah.
Because he didn't want to take that reverse.
Yeah.
But yet he's making them loops and loops, and it's like, well, yeah, he didn't finish. Granted, he only was at 13 penalties, but he didn't finish.
Yeah.
It makes no difference. It's automatically 44 for not finishing, minus whatever the progress is. In this case, it was 8, so it's 28. But
okay.
Yeah.
Dang. This is crazy. Okay, we got the Stone Vet in the building. Tell me he getting his smoke on. Wow. Oh, he learning about the RC car. Yeah, some of them cost $2 grand. We got old school over here. Okay, he done went full throttle. That's a penalty. Dang, I want to see one that can jump. Okay. He got his turn skip. Come on, hold it. Grip. Grip, baby. Oh, didn't want to grip. That was a good reverse, man. It could have cost you. It could have cost you.
Where's that gate?
Right here.
Is there another one?
Nuh-uh.
Oh, I did. Yeah, they didn't put it back for you, did they?
Nah. You doing pretty good, man. I see you. I see you doing your thing. Nah, that was good, man. That was good. You made a good, smart call. Bagged it up one time for the one time. Yes, sir. He said, come. Ooh, we got somebody new out here. How you doing, mister?
Doing good.
Looking like you finna go work somewhere.
Nah, I just got off.
Oh, okay. What you do? Nip a deal?
Yeah, appliance repair.
Who?
I do appliance repair.
Appliance repair. So like in my lights and stuff, man, so I want to put some new, you know, them little circle lights with the LED.
Don't do that.
Oh, you don't do that? Appliance.
Dryers, refrigerators,
Oh, okay.
stuff like that.
Yeah, man, I know somebody with what's the thing that clean a dishwashing machine? You fix them too? Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Where you from here? Okay, I'm from Dallas, Texas, man.
So you like my cars?
Yeah, I like all these little.
But you run anything?
I don't run nothing, man. I run a YouTube and a Twitch channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, Lookout Racing. Yeah, we on here now. Everybody on here, they talking about all kind of stuff. Stone Vet just came in. We got Marvick, Jada just followed. Tight FX6 with the follow. Florida Vet with the follow. Man, I get so much anxiety talking to people like this. Like what? Anxiety and oh, you saying when you talk to people or what? This just a shakedown, right?
Yeah, he's just driving it.
Yeah.
Practicing driving. This is the next class we're fixing to be running.
Yeah.
Big comp 4x4.
The comp 4x4s. What's the difference between the comp 4x4 and the regular?
Bigger tires, less rules.
Yeah.
Lighter weight.
Okay, you can go any weight?
The performance is way better.
Okay.
Now, there is a minimum weight, but I think it's 4 pounds.
Okay, so you get to go lighter. So lighter the better? You feel like?
Yeah. Well, I mean, mine's heavy. I got mine set up heavy. But you'll see it. It'll feel a little bit more planted than some of the lighter rigs.
Okay.
You can do some weird things.
Ain't nobody tried to do a real heavy with?
Yeah.
That's what I'll probably do, get me a big heavy one, that way it'd be hard for it to slip. But then you still gotta have the same size tire?
Yeah.
Ah, man.
The problem with the heavier vehicles is if you don't have your center of gravity right, you'll roll.
Oh, okay.
Like, you'll see how some of these guys, I'm not one of them.
Yeah.
Clearly. Some of these guys can, just walk across like this. And if you've got a real heavy truck, you're just gonna...
Oh, it'll slide. Yeah, I did. He was just in that position a while ago, and he backed up.
Yeah.
It was about to slide down.
But yeah, I've seen some stuff come out of Friendswood, some of the places that we call in Friendswood and in Galveston, and these trucks are just like going at a 90-degree angle, going up
and still going straight wherever they wanted to go. Man, that is a little amazing. Okay, we got OG in the building, y'all. Let me see if he really OG now. He might got a special car, y'all. They finna find. You know how when the NHRA, when you come back and they gotta check your car again? Man, he's going through all the things. Man, what he get? He back what? All my channel, they tell they sick of him winning already.
You got a -10.
A -10? Dang. Well, you cold, OG. Hey, is something with your car, man? No. We probably need to do another inspection, man. Probably need another inspection. He got nitrous. I don't know. Man, what he got on his car, man? Why OG rusted? Oh, yeah, that's what I said.
He's spraying.
It's set up. It's rigged, man. He's spraying. Y'all gotta watch him, man. His truck running them performance enhancing drugs, man. I don't know what it is. They ain't ready for me, Stone Vic.